Today, my dessert is cassava cake. 2 packs of cassava, 2 packs. Here, I squeeze it with a clean cloth to make sure the sauciness is gone. So now look, it's so you do like this, so pinching until it's like separate each other. Yeah, here, see here, cassava. And I take off this because maybe when we eat this, we choking. Okay, this like a stick into the cassava. Here, see here. This one, the stick here. I'll put evaporated. Guys, I don't use a sugar. Okay, and 400 ml with coconut. Yeah, coconut milk. 2 eggs and one of condensed milk. I use 2 condensed milk because I use one toppings into the top when the cassava is golden brown. Okay, now we mix this here. Okay, 2 eggs, only 2 eggs. I don't use 3 or 4 something. I use my own style because I prepare and I aware for the thing, not silicon. But I prepare 2 eggs. Okay, 2 eggs. There. Ooh. We pour it here. One. And one less. Condensed milk. I want to put this one milk here. I don't like to put the flour in it because I think some recipe we have again 2 packs of cassava and 1/10 of condensed milk, 1/10 of carnation, and this one is 400 ml of coconut milk. Separate it. Yes, look. Oh, nice. And remember guys, you need to take off the cassava, they have like a stick in it, in the center, like a string. So you need to make sure you take off that one because it's dangerous. Okay? After this one, we put into the oven, maybe like 45 minutes. You check it. If it's a little brown or a little dry in the top, and you know what I need to do? I will put this into my baking pan. I need to, I need this, I need butter. Because I need to butter the pan. Nice, okay? And I will pour it here. There we go. when you are cooking, just try focus for your own recipe if it's convenience for you, because it's your own, right? You want to share for your own recipe. That's why I share my own style, how to do it, like a simple and it's not so messy. But you need only to prepare before you start everything that nice and smooth when you're doing. Okay? So now, if it's dry here or brown, see, nice. So I'm ready to put in the oven. Where I forgot this. Now I have a trouble. Wait a second. So around 1 hour. I think 1 hour over there. But I'm always checking every time. After half an hour, I'll check it. Then 45 minutes, I check it. You know, it's a little dry and thing. I will take this off here. Okay. When I did one here, I put like this, like a toppings in the top of the cassava. It's very nice. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, and wait, and I will put the sugar like this because it color. This is my own style. I don't follow anybody. I did mine. Uh, because I didn't put sugar in it. I'm only putting condensed milk and evaporated milk. Yeah. And we wait until another half an hour. Okay? I'll be back 10 minutes to check again if what is the result. And I will put back into this is nice. It's nice here. Okay? Then I will put back here in the oven. I want to make sure that here I will put back, make sure that this cooking good. There we go. Look. Okay. Okay. Oh wow, it's cooked. Oh, delicious look. Okay. Oh, look at it. Look. Wow, yummy. Look, look. See, nice. See, nice. See, nice, 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 nice. Mmm, nice there. There. Nice, nice, nice. Cassava cake, guys, for today. And I will see you next time and give my comments. And so you see now already, right? And this is my cassava cake. And see you next time. Another show next week. Okay? Bye.